Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to go ahead and introduce our new products on my right hand. This one is the Donut Sugars glazing stations. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. Entire units, they are about like a 33 and 3 and 4 inches long and about like a 27.5 inches wide. Include the wheels, total heights, they are about like a 36.5 inches tall. As we know, the units come with a couple different parts, and they do have a second layers. They're using better stainless steel too, and coming with the tray inner side. And they also having a wall on the side too for the both side, and the tray can sliding inner side. And for this wall, it is about like a 9 and 1 4 inches tall. And also they do come in with a cover of it, so we can remove the cover and take closer to see the inner side. For this inner side, we can see they come in with a tray. The manufacturer made it, and you can put all the sugars or anything and put donuts right here and to glazing it on top of those. And for this one, the dimensions of it, it is about like a 23.5 inches wide. And the overall depth is about like a 9.5 inches. Also on the side, we can see they have a holding bars right here, can help you to hold the tray. And from the edge to these holdings, it is about like a 24.5 inches long. And the overall depth of the units right here, the deepest place will be about like a 9.5 inches deep. And also I think there's a tray at the bottoms. And after we remove the tray from the bottom and put on top of the machine, we have a big space right here. Dimensions of it about like a 24 inches deep and the 23 and the 1/8 inches wide. This back wall, it is about like a 14 inches tall. And we do have two handles right here, the screws, sticks in the side. When we operate it, we can just drop all the sugar flowers to the donuts on top right here. So as we know, the units, they come with all the full casters at the bottoms. So they do have a lockers on the two at the front. So you can just stack in there and don't move the machine and keep it safe. So that's what will be the all demonstration information about these products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.